What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about Popular Direct Savings Account. Popular Direct offers a high-yield savings account with a competitive APY of 5.20% and no monthly service fees, making it an attractive option for those looking to grow their savings. With a maximum deposit of $100, this account provides a secure and rewarding way to maximize your savings potential. Now, let's take a look at some of its key benefits. Popular Direct's high-yield savings account stands out with a competitive APY of 5.15%, well above the national average for savings accounts. This elevated interest rate presents a lucrative opportunity for savers to accelerate the growth of their funds, outperforming traditional savings options and maximizing their earnings potential over time. Popular Direct offers a user-friendly online platform and mobile app for easy account management. This digital banking convenience empowers users to monitor their accounts, conduct transactions, and track their progress effortlessly, enhancing the overall banking experience and ensuring efficient financial management on the go. With this feature, you can access your bank statements from anywhere with an internet connection by enrolling in online statements. You can also deposit checks in seconds using your mobile device, available through the Popular Direct mobile banking app. Popular Direct ensures the safety of your savings by providing FDIC insurance on all deposits up to the maximum amount allowed by law per depositor for each ownership category. This insurance coverage offers peace of mind and financial security, safeguarding your funds in the event of unforeseen circumstances or bank-related issues up to the specified limits, making it a reliable choice for savers. With Popular Direct's high-yield savings account, customers benefit from a fee-free structure, eliminating the burden of monthly service fees that can erode savings over time. This fee waiver not only preserves the full value of your deposits, but also enhances the overall attractiveness of the account, making it a cost-effective and efficient option for individuals seeking to grow their savings without unnecessary deductions. By compounding interest daily and paying it out monthly, Popular Direct's high-yield savings account offers a powerful tool for wealth accumulation. This compounding effect not only boosts the initial deposit but also amplifies the interest earned, creating a snowball effect that accelerates the growth of your savings potentially, providing a substantial advantage over accounts with less frequent compounding. Now, let's talk about some potential drawbacks. High-yield savings account may have limitations on withdrawals, such as maximum number of transactions allowed per month. Additionally, some accounts may require you to jump through extra hoops to make withdrawals, which can be inconvenient. These restrictions are in place to ensure that the account is used for savings purposes and not as a checking account. Some high-yield savings accounts come with minimum balance requirements to avoid monthly fees or to earn the highest interest rates. If you're not able to maintain the required balance, you may face fees or earn a lower interest rate. This can be a drawback for those who don't have a large amount of money to keep in their bank's account. High-yield savings accounts are subject to interest rate changes over time. While the account may offer a competitive interest rate when you open it, the rate can fluctuate downward, reducing your earnings. This is a risk to consider, especially if you're counting on a specific interest rate to reach your saving goals. Popular Direct's high-yield savings account offers a compelling combination of competitive 5.15% APY, no monthly service fees, and convenient digital banking features. With FDIC insurance protection and the power of compound interest, this account provides an attractive option for savers looking to maximize their returns while maintaining easy access to their funds. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.